Today we're diving into the fascinating world of Japanese money techniques. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the secrets behind Arigato, a technique that literally means thank you in Japanese. When you greet money with genuine happiness, this sentiment acts as a magnet, attracting more wealth into your life. This method not only promotes gratitude towards money, but also attracts more abundance into your life. Imagine a world where every time you spend money, you express gratitude for the value it brings into your life. Arigato is all about fostering a positive mindset towards money and cultivating a sense of appreciation for what you already have. By incorporating this technique into your daily life, you can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Studies have shown that practicing gratitude can have a profound impact on your overall well-being and financial success. So, why not give it a try and see the magic unfold in your life? Remember, abundance flows to those who are grateful for what they already possess. The concept of arigato goes beyond just saying thank you. It's about embracing a mindset of abundance and prosperity. Arigato in and arigato out is the mantra signifies welcoming money with love and a smile when it comes to you, and spending it with an open heart. It establishes a system and process of money circulation around you. How you spend your money and the attitude with which you receive it hold significant importance. To develop this approach and shift your mindset about money, it's crucial to consistently apply the principle of arigato in and arigato out every time money flows into or out of your possession. As you start implementing this technique into your life, you'll begin to notice a shift in your relationship with money. Cultivating a sense of gratitude towards your finances can lead to greater financial stability and peace of mind. With arigato, every transaction becomes an opportunity to express appreciation for the value received. So, the next time you make a purchase, remember to say arigato and see how it transforms your financial outlook. By acknowledging the role that money plays in your life and expressing gratitude for it, you're opening up channels for more wealth to flow in. Thank you for tuning in today and learning about the power of arigato. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and subscribe for more content on enhancing your financial well-being. Until next time, remember to always say arigato and watch the abundance grow.